Our security software, HomeShield, has been updated to version 3, adding more features and 2 exclusive apps for comprehensive protection. HomeShield is designed to protect comprehensively, protect all devices, and protect everywhere. Let's see how HomeShield protects comprehensively through its various features. First is network security, which protects your online safety. When you're surfing online, web protection safeguards your family by intelligently preventing access to malicious URLs. With VPN Client, you're able to have private browsing under a more secure network. What's more, intrusion prevention identifies and blocks potential threats to keep your network safe. Another highlight of HomeShield is its newly upgraded Parental Controls. To keep kids from being exposed to unsafe online content, we've added some amazing features such as app blocking, YouTube restrictions, and browser safe search. With HomeShield Parental Controls, parents can block thousands of apps individually or by category to better manage their children's online activities. We also offer flexible age-level filters and online time limits, such as setting a bedtime for children, which can help them develop good habits. With a detailed report, you can check the sites your children visit and how much time they spend on each. With the rich features of HomeShield, you can protect all your devices, especially when it comes to the Internet of Things, or IoT. Simply configure your gateway, and HomeShield can immediately begin monitoring connected devices' security performance once they join the network. HomeShield version 3 added 2 new apps to protect your devices and your kids everywhere. Through our newly included device security app, your devices and personal information are well protected, anytime and anywhere. Through the exclusive KidShield app, your little ones stay digitally protected away from home, even if they aren't connected to your home Wi-Fi. With this app, the features we mentioned before are included. KidShield also adds location management, so parents can monitor their kids' live GPS location and know where their kids are at all times. With these 2 new apps, devices remain secure and your kids are under parental control, even on the go.